Hello everybody, I have spent the last month testing out the Roborock Q35A robot vacuum. It is linked down below in the top comment that's pinned as well as the description. This thing's awesome. This is not a sponsored video, although it is an affiliate link, but I was not reached out to by Roborock. They have not compensated me in any way. I literally just bought this and I love it so much and I'm making a video on it. So what is amazing about this robot vacuum? Let's dive into it. First of all, it's not just a vacuum, it's a vacuum and mop. It has 8,000 PA of suction power. It sucks up everything from pet hair to cereal to crumbs. I have a dog that sheds. I used to find his hair in little balls, around my house, and now I don't. I have not seen his hair anywhere. It also goes back to the tower, cleans out the mop pads, empties the vacuum canister into a bag. And yes, you have to replace the bag in the tower, but I haven't had to do it yet. And you can buy like a year's worth of bags for like $12. It's not expensive at all. What's really blown me away though with this vacuum is the LiDAR percents technology. It literally has a little brain in there. It mapped out my entire house very quickly. It created a 3D map. It avoids obstacles. If my, child leaves a toy on the ground, it goes around it. You can put in no-go zones. You can map it out. It's very, very impressive. Now let's talk some mopping. The QV35A's mopping is next level. It has a fixed mop pad that spins, but don't let it fool you. It applies consistent pressure and lets you adjust water flow through the app. I tested it on my kitchen floor, and it tackled light spills and sticky spots very easily. It's not scrubbing like a human, but for daily upkeep, it is a lifesaver. My floors have literally never looked cleaner, and I haven't had to do anything. It's really fun to just sit there on your couch and watch this thing go to work. Even when I'm out of town, I'll see at 10 p.m. when I set it to go off every night, it goes off and cleans my house, even when I'm not there. The app is really where the magic happens. A lot of times, I can be a little bit, how do I put this? I've had bad experiences with apps integrating with smart devices. That is not the case with Roborock. I've been very impressed with the app. It has not been buggy. It lets me schedule cleanings, pick specific rooms, set routines. There's voice control with Alexa if you want. It really feels like living in the future. It has a 5,200 milliamp battery, and it cleaned my 1,500, first floor, my 1,500 square foot first floor in my home in one go. Didn't need any charges. That's like, I don't know, at least 2 hours of runtime. The dock charging is really awesome. Maintenance is super easy. Has a combo dustbin and a water tank, so emptying and refilling it's really easy. Plus, if you get the Plus version with the auto emptying dock, it empties itself for up to 7 weeks, which is what I have. I haven't had to touch it yet. There's a washable filter, a tangle-resistant brush. I think the one con is if my kids will leave out a sock, just a tiny little toddler sock. There's been a few times where it's kind of sucked it up and gotten stuck. But besides that, it's gone around everything perfectly, and it hasn't really got anything tangled in it. After a month with this vacuum, my verdict is clear that this vacuum is a really good product. I can't compare it directly to every vacuum out there, but I've used other ones, and this is by far the best one I've used. Again, once a week, it all depends on what your settings are, but for me, once a week, I like to empty out the dirty water, put in some new water with some cleaner solution, rinse out the tray. I'll probably spend 5 minutes a week maintaining this thing, but it's really a small price to pay for automatic cleaning every night. Ultimately, this thing is amazing. I'd recommend it. Again, not sponsored. Take it for what it's worth, but you can see my dog there. This bad boy has cleaned everything up with ease. Thanks for watching.